Welcome back, homies. Today, you're reading it correctly. We're going to tackle the Starbucks pink drink, dupe style. Let me get into all of the ingredients for today's recipe. Of course, you're going to need some type of berry type tea. Today I am going to use the strawberry hibiscus tea by Great Value. So that is a Walmart brand tea. We are going to use a berry drink blend. Starbucks uses their refresher packet, but that has sugar in it. So I found this at, would you guess it, Dollar Tree. So it is strawberry watermelon flavor. So that's very refreshing. 1 gram of sugar, 2 net carbs, and only 6 calories for 8 ounces. Perfect. I did pick these organic strawberries up from Amazon, but I did notice at Trader Joe's that they have their own, as well as Dollar Tree had some freeze-dried strawberries. Of course, if you would like to replace the freeze-dried strawberries for fresh, who's stopping you, girlfriend? Do you. Now, to make the drink pink, give it that nice pinky color, we're going to be using some coconut milk. I had this in our refrigerator. We love coconut milk. This I picked up from Aldi's. So in my Pyrex cup, I have a cup of water. I'm going to pop that in the microwave. I'm only making 1 drink, so I'm not going to put on the kettle. I'm not going to run my Keurig. I'm just going to pop this in the microwave with my 3 tea bags. The reason why I'm adding 3 tea bags is because I really want this strong. I want a strong brewed tea. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave for about 2 minutes and then let the tea completely cool. Okay? I haven't even brewed this tea yet. Just opening the packets. This smells amazing. I'm so excited. So yeah, we're gonna place this in the microwave, like I said, for about 2 minutes to get a really good brew on it. All right, while that is going, let me show you the box. You can screenshot it. This is the Walmart brand. I'm quite sure that there are many other leading brands that you can try. But girl, we're trying to save a coin for travel. So this smells really good. Like I said, when I open the packets, I'm like, ooh, refreshing. That tea is. So about 8 ounces. I have an older measuring cup. I'm gonna put about 4 ounces of the strawberry watermelon drink. I'm gonna put a saucer on top of this because I really want the tea to seep. All right, so we're gonna let this completely cool because we don't want to melt our ice when we put our drink over the top of the ice. All right, so we'll be back. Okay, so just put any cover over the top of your container and let that cool and steep. Okay guys, so you don't want to over steep. So it's been about 5 minutes. So drain your tea bags. I'm gonna put them over there, and this is still pretty warm. I just wanted to come and take the tea bags out because I don't want to make it too strong, but that's what you want right there. All right, so let that cool and let's start setting up our glass. All right, so in the perfect world, I would just wait for that to cool, but I am impatient. So I added a couple of ice cubes and I'm gonna fish those out before I add in our juice. Don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge me. It's still gonna cool it down. We're still gonna have the same effect. So let's get to the layering of the cup and placing the strawberries. Okay. Now I am a Starbucks lover. Your girl even went and got her venti cup. So I mean, I am a Starbucks lover. But on the day that you want to save some coins, girl, why not? So we're gonna add some ice in first, and then we're gonna layer some strawberries in. and then do some more ice and then strawberries, and you get the point, right? Cool. Okay, so here are the freeze-dried strawberries. Again, you can use fresh if you choose. The recipe that I found did it with the freeze-dried strawberries, so I just went along with it. So we have our strawberries and ice layered in. Our tea has been chilled by those ice cubes. All right, so I'm just gonna add a splash of the juice in with it, but let's go ahead and sweeten up our I'm using stevia. I tried the one that I had here on camera. It's a little bitter. I love this one. So start off, I'm gonna do 2 squeezes of that, and wait, let me grab something else that I think that would taste absolutely amazing in this. Okay, so I grabbed my skinny syrups, and this is the 0 calorie, 0 sugar, and the coconut flavor. Ooh, that's going to take it over the top. So let's get to layering. Okay, so I'm gonna add in about 1/4 cup of the drink. I'm gonna stir that all together. We did add in our stevia. Let me go ahead and add in a splash of our coconut. And then we're gonna stir that all together. Go ahead and give it a taste and see if it is to the sweetness that you'd like. That's perfect. Because you also are gonna get a little sweetness from that coconut milk. So that is actually really perfect. So we're gonna pour this in. Now what I love about this cup is that it has little measurements on the side. So we're gonna pour in till about right here. All right, you know what? I'm gonna pour a little bit more. And then let's go in with our coconut milk. I'm gonna shake the box. Take the cover off. There's that Starbucks cover. All right, so there you have it, the Starbucks pink drink done at home. You can add a little bit more coconut milk to that. Add your straw, top it off with a little bit more hibiscus tea, like whatever it is that you want to do, it's your thing, so do it. Do you, boo. But there you have the Starbucks pink drink at home. Let me stir it up for you so you get that full effect. Enjoy.
Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you are up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.